2, 1. Oh shit. Well, where'd he get you? Where'd he get you?
Fuck! Shit, right in the head.
Does it hurt?
Yeah.
Better hurt.
Nah, it doesn't hurt as much. I'm gonna stick off the vest. Fuck man.
Alright. I'm keeping the vest, by the way, so.
Oh, yeah, bitch? Oh, shit, my temperature.
Oh, we gotta put the, what's it called?